have a look at the unboxing of Raspberry Pi 400. So Raspberry Pi 400 is a Raspberry Pi 4 based personal computer fully integrated into a keyboard for ease of use and setup. So you can see it's actually keyboard. So this Raspberry Pi 4 is completely integrated with this keyboard. So it's easy to use. You can see USB port, Ethernet cable connection port, HDMI port, GPIO pins, and this is the official Raspberry Pi 400 adapter to power on this Raspberry Pi. So this is the official one, so maximum try to use this. So this is the SD card. So using this SD card we are putting OS into the system. Use the latest version of OS Noobs 3.5, and this is the micro HDMI to VGA converter for monitor. Okay, so we are going to insert the OS into the system. So insert this SD card into that slot and just push it. Okay, next we are going to connect the micro HDMI to VGA converter for the display. So next we are going to connect the power supply adapter for power on the Raspberry Pi. Next we have connected the mouse. Okay, after power on you can see the green LED blinking in the keyboard. After installing the OS you can see the usual Raspberry Pi monitor display.